Hello students, good day. In this second video we are going to see how to navigate in this course. There are quite a number of elements in this course that you need to access in order to complete it. As I said earlier in the first video, we have, when you access the course, the first thing you see is the dashboard. On the dashboard, as you can see, we have different modules from module 0 to module 3. We have a welcome, we have a guide, we have a discussion and a demonstrate. Remember, the discussion cannot be accessed offline. This will be accessed only through the learning management system. Okay, so if I start with module 1, immediately the system open this page where you can see different icons that represent different components. The first one is the learning outcomes. So this is what you need to access first immediately when you access a topic. And you can see the topic is within a module. And for example, module 1 has two topics. Topic 1.1, which is about the complexity of learning in higher education. So you will go through to find out what it is. And the second topic is, if you click to next topic 1.2, it opens immediately the second topic. And you will see that every page of a topic has the same component actually. You have the learning outcomes, you have the dashboard, you have the mind map, you have the infographics. Okay, so if you go a little bit further down, you will see the recorded lecture. And if you go again further down, then you will see the recorded lecture that you can open and play. We'll come back to it. We have reading materials, so we have the notes of the topic. If I click on notes, this is what you can see. So you can go through it and you'll be able to know what you need to learn in this topic. And then you have quizzes, you have a fill the blank, and the collaboration here will only work through the learning management system, not offline, because offline you are not connected to internet to collaborate directly with others. The supervised activities, this will be the activities that you will be doing that are connecting to the learning management system, but they will be similar to the activities that you have under quizzes and the fill the blank. We'll look at it at the later stage. Now, as you can see, the recorded lectures, this recorded lecture is directly connected to the notes that you have here, and it's very important to connect to access both. It will help you to understand the skills that you are required to know. And here you can see that we developed an app. We call it the AI practice app. So if you are connected to the internet, you click on on. So when you click on on, it means you are actually connected to the internet, you can access it. If you don't have access to the internet, you click on off, so you access the same app working the same way with the same activities. We'll see how to use it in the next video. Okay, so you have the activity link here that will help you to know which activity to work based on the level where we are. It means based on the topic that you are busy working on. So for example, if I click on activity, immediately it will open the list of activities that are linked to topic 1.2. For example, prompt engineering and output quality, you can see that you can work on skills I, which is skill number 1. So this is the category, and you can work on 5 activities. You should know that each category has 10 activities. I will come back to it, and the connection to module content. So this is the description. So this course is really well elaborated to help you to enhance your skills when it comes to the usage of AI in your education, in your learning process. So you have mind map. If you click on mind map, immediately the system shows you how different topics are actually connected. So if I click here, or I put over the mouse, you can see it's saying define generative AI. And once I click on it, you can see, if I reduce a little bit, here you can see everything. Is telling us that under define generative AI is about to understanding what makes this technology unique and powerful, and it contains 2 subnodes. So we'll regularly get a specific video explaining the concept of this mind map, and every node. So this is the main node, and this is the sub node. So here you can see the system has 6 nodes, and each node has other sub nodes. And you can move around like this to move so that you can see all the nodes. You can even increase the size by clicking here, or you can click minus, and it will also reduce the size. So this node has a subnode. There are 3 subnodes. So if I click on it, you can see the system provides us the description of what actually this course is discussing when it comes to define generative AI. Okay, we'll discuss at the later stage in details about this mind map. So another thing very critical that you need to know about every module is we have something that we call infographic. An infographic, actually, as I said earlier in video number 1, is a full picture of the topic, but in one page. Okay, in one page you are able to get an idea of what a topic is all about. So it's providing you a summary, a very, very interesting summary that really may help you, especially when you are revising what you have learned or to consolidate already what you know.